What's up YouTube? I'm Ian and we're back here with Team Sahlen as a Capri Tools original, and we'll be going over some of their tools that a master apprentice can use to work on their automotive vehicle. Here we have, I'd say about $1,500 to $2,000 worth of tools, so let's get into it, shall we? As you can see right off the bat, Capri Tools does an excellent job of packaging their tools, so you know you're getting the best of the best. That's a lot of tools. So right off the bat, I can see we got a ton of breaker bars, ratchets, everything you need to work on your car. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff here. Ratchets, long ratchets, screwdrivers, thin wrenches, hammers, more breaker bars, more wrenches, more ratchets. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff here. It just never ends. Okay guys, so now that I got it all laid out, let's go through and take a look at some of the tools a little closer. Over here, we have the Capri Tools extended ratchets, both in 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. These are pretty nice, because as you can see, they're much longer than a normal ratchet with a fine tooth mechanism inside there. Moving on, we got their normal 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchets. Together, these two make a great pair because these are like your normal size ratchets, and these are your extended ones. So you, instead of like a long breaker bar, you can see you have almost the same reach while having the Capri Tools great ratcheting mechanism inside that 90 tooth head. Over here, we have some impact rated universal fittings for sockets. These are great because sometimes you just can't get the angle you need on the bolt or nut, and these make a great choice whenever you're using an impact wrench. Over here, we got the 0 offset double box end wrenches in millimeters. Let's take a look at these, shall we? They come in a nice fabric case and roll out so you can see all your sizes. I can tell that these are nice and strong. Nice 12-point tooths on the end. Very nice. Let's see here. They go from 8 to 24 with what looks like no skips. So all you master technicians out there should be really happy with these. And of course we got the classic breaker bars. These ones from Capri I really like because they have extended length on them. So instead of your typical 24-inch 1/2 inch breaker bar, these are 30 inches, so you can get lots of extra leverage and strength on those stubborn bolts and fasteners. And of course, they have the 3/8 size as well. Moving on, we got some of the Capri Tool dead blows. And I know you can't hear it, but inside there, lots of lead shot, so you can get a nice even strike when you're using this hammer. Woo! Let's see here, what do we have here? Why, this is the 6 to 24 millimeter metric wrench set. Ooh, you're gonna love this, guys. Nice foam carrying case so that inside your toolbox, all your wrenches can be nicely organized. Let's break this open. Of course, only the finest packaging from Capri Tools. And just like the double box end wrenches, nice 12-point tooth on the end there. That is a nice offset so that when you're in a tight spot your knuckles are not getting busted up by hitting other close stuff there. Nice inscription so that you can see exactly what size of wrench you're using. And each one has a spot. These are actually 6-224, each nicely labeled so that you can see which wrench you're grabbing when you open your toolbox. Over here we have the hollow shank nut drivers from Capri Tools. I love nut drivers because sometimes you don't need that torque of a ratchet, but you want the flexibility of a screwdriver. And these give you the ability to get on a nut and securely fasten them, especially hose clamps. I love using these on hose clamps. And last but not least, we got the Capri Tools magnetic parts spools. I have a set of these at home. And these are great because not only do they have the depth to hold all your parts, but they also have a magnet on the back to hold all those nuts and bolts securely. So whenever, say, it's on the floor and you kick it, all those nuts and bolts stay strongly inside. This is what we got this year from Capri Tools to help out some of our master apprentice technicians here in the shop. I finished loading up all of our brand new Capri Tools in our tool cart so they can be ready to be given to our brand new technician. Then here we have lots of different tools they can use, from some of the Capri Tool angle grinders, hammers, their 10 to 150 foot-pound half-inch torque wrench, which is beautiful. And then on top, we even have some other tools which we received in a prior shipment from Capri, which includes the 3/8 drive impact socket set with SAE and metric. I personally love this set because not only do you get all accessories you need, such as extensions or universal joints, but they are also thin enough that they can replace your chrome sockets. So if you're on a tight budget and you're only looking for one socket set, the impact socket set from Capri Tools is great because it can do both impact and has the small, light, and tight preferences of a chrome socket set. Additionally, we threw in the Capri Tools master bit set, which includes Allens, Torx, E-Torx, everything you could ever need to work on any car you could ever want. Up top, of course, we have our nut drivers, quite a few of them, our breaker bars, and some of the Capri Tool screwdrivers. Let's see if there's anything else inside here. Nope. All pretty good stuff. Oh, there's our wrenches. Pretty nice wrenches. We also included the 12-inch stubby bolt extractor wrenches because these are great because anytime, especially up here in Ohio where things tend to rust like there's no tomorrow, these really help in getting all your stubborn fasteners out of those street cars. And of course, what has to be one of my absolute personal favorites, I bought one of these for my garage at home, is the universal impacts from Capri. These are great because they're nice and short, allowing you to reach into tight places with your impact. But they can also, the universal joint can withstand an impact up to high foot-pounds. Unlike a traditional chrome universal, these have never broken on me. So that's it from us here at Team Sahlen. We really appreciate our Capri Tools, as you can see. They are a great, affordable alternative to the tool trucks to help those apprentice master technicians start out in the automotive industry. Thank you.